We're gonna have a food trip. Yun lang naman yung plan today. To just try out the food that we like and also mag-walk around. It's been such a busy week. Tapos na actually kami sa Burnham. First, we had hopia. We got ube pastillas and munggo pastillas.
Feel ko mas masarap if mainit lahat. Ube lang kasi yung mainit. Pag mainit, 10 out of 10. Pag hindi mainit, 9 out of 10. Masarap pa rin.
Yeah,
Kasi malambot pa rin kahit di mainit.
Pero sana may pastillas na walang halo, just pastillas. And then after, may nakita akong bell pepper na may cream cheese and Cheetos. Been wanting to try that for so long and I finally tried it and I think it's so good. Ang sarap nung cream cheese, ang sarap nung bell pepper, it's so crunchy but sobrang kunat ng chips. And then we also had this one, mango orange. This is the best. Okay, now we're gonna go to UB. We're gonna go to Ililikha and see ano pang pwedeng magawa doon. Go to SM now. Ang dami na namin napuntahan. Sa may UB, sa Ililikha, sa may SLU. Dami na namin napuntahan and we're so tired and we can't find anything we wanna eat. So we're gonna go to SM na lang. Ako na lang daw yung gutom, sabi ni Mikay. Because kakagaling lang niya sa Samgyup. Ang mga naiisip ko, Japanese food. Like ramen and sushi. Sa ramenagi. Or sa ramen sa food court. I think we have maxed out all of the places that we could go to. Parang wala na tayong mapuntahan, no? So, I'll just see you when we're in SM. Yes, we're in Koreji in SM. Ordered ramen and then mixed tempura and also cheesy ebi tempura roll ata to. Let's just eat na. Yung in-order ko, sizzling ramen pala siya. Parang ang init. Normal ramen nga, parang hindi na lumalamig pag kinakain. So, paano pa tong sizzling? So, mamaya na siya. Let's eat first yung mga sides. Eggplant tempura. Recently lang namin na-discover tong Koreji. We just always walk past this. Pero, ang dami pala nilang options and ang dami nilang masarap na food. Quickly becoming my favorite Japanese restaurant dito. Try natin yung broth. Sobrang init, umusok pa rin. Buboil pa rin siya doon sa lalagyan. It's so light. Gusto ko yung creamy na ramen pala.
Ayaw mo to?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo to?
Mas prefer ko yung creamy na ramen. This is kinda like thin yung consistency. Mikay said, busog daw siya so ako lang mag-i-eat. Gustong gusto niya yung ramen. So I think this is where our video will end. Sobrang dami talaga namin na walk today and kinain. Bye!